Hello everyone, today I will show you how to find my PayPal address. And here's how it's done. Open your PayPal account. Once logged in, locate your profile information and click on the settings option, typically found in the top right corner of the PayPal interface. In your profile, look for a section displaying your email address. This section may be labeled email or add or edit email. Your primary email address in this section is your PayPal address. This is the email used to log in and receive payments. When someone wants to send you money via PayPal, simply share your PayPal email address, and they won't need any additional details to complete the transaction. Make sure to keep your PayPal address accurate and up to date to ensure smooth and reliable transactions. And that's everything you need to know about how to find my PayPal address. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.